Hi everyone, Don Singletary. Welcome to the Day Trading Micro Futures channel. The Stock Index Futures Micro E-Minis, they're called. It's a mouthful, but we all make it simple right here. The purpose of this channel, and it's the only channel like this, the only thing we do is teach the home investor how to day trade the new Micro E-Mini Stock Index Futures. And I have several playlists for beginners, so if you don't follow everything on this video, you'll be able to go back to that and learn some of the basics here. And that's what the channel is all about. And I'd like to welcome you here if it's the first time you looked in. We're all spending a lot of time at home these days, and we've also learned recently, maybe without knowing it, the reason that it's good to trade a stock index instead of a specific stock. When we buy or sell a stock, we look at that company and its management and its track record and everything. But we all know, and we've seen over the months, recent months in the market, how a stock market that's in a bearish mode or a bullish mode for that matter tends to overtake the characteristics of individual stocks. In other words, the larger stock market is the thing that dictates what happens to the smaller stocks that make up and comprise the market. The tide, if you will, is the stock index that raises and lowers all boats. So it's less risky, I think, to trade right now in the stock index futures and take a part of your portfolio. But the other nice thing about it is these are new products. They're 1/10 the size, which means it takes less money, lower risk. It's within reach of the home investor to be able to learn to trade these things to try to create a second income. And that's what we're going to talk about today. The most popular stock in America is Apple. The symbol is AAPL. As you can see here on these displays, these are 2015 figures, but it's still much the same today in 2020. We have 12.5% of portfolios of all the people aged 25 to 34. From 35 to 49, the same 12.7% of their portfolio is Apple stock. 50 to 64, 10.3, and at 65 plus, it's still up at 7.4%. Now I want to show you what's happened to Apple stock recently, and I'll talk and compare it to a stock index so you can get some gauge about what we're talking about here that'll help you understand the index better so you can trade better. Now we're going to compare one of the most popular stocks in the world, Apple, with a NASDAQ100 Micro Emini. It's amazing. Between September 30th, 2019 until March 20th, 2020, the stock rose an incredible 63.5% in only 5 months. And this is why Apple stock is one of the most popular stocks in the world. Then, over the next 37 days, between February 17th, 2020 and March 20th, the stock went down from $327 to $228, about a $100 drop in price and a 30% loss. Now, during that same period of time, the NASDAQ100 Micro E-Mini lost about 27.9%, almost the same percentage as the 30% loss in the Apple stock, as it went down from 96.06 to 69.29. Now I'm about to show you the best and the worst thing about trading futures. It has a risky reputation, and it's true because it's a very highly leveraged trading, and you can lose money just as fast as you can make it. But still, I'm going to show you something now that really shows you the potential for profits you can have with such a highly leveraged trading instrument as a futures contract. It only costs about $1,050 to hold a NASDAQ100 Micro E-Mini overnight, and that varies from time to time, depending on volatility in the market swings. That requirement can go up and down a little bit each way. Now, a margin to short a contract at that time on February 17th was a little less than $1,000. I'm going to use $1,050 here just to keep the figures a little bit honest here. The profit on that short contract, and there's no way you could have picked the high and the low, so this is hypothetical for sure, would have been $5,334. So that's a 508% profit on $1,050, $5,334. That's the potential of profit. Now, You must understand here, I'm not suggesting that you're going to make this kind of money, and especially not at first and right away. You have to be very careful trading. As I go over in my book, I have an entire chapter on there on the psychology of trading, and another chapter where I explain exactly how to do what I recommend, which is 25 successful practice trades before you ever risk a dime of real money. Make no doubt about it. This is a leveraged investment. It is risky, no matter what anybody tells you. But you also can learn it. You watch the videos. It's not for everybody, granted. You watch the videos and see if you catch on to see how you can understand the psychological and the trading challenges of trading these micro E-mini contracts. I think it's the most exciting thing for a home investor that's come along in over 20 years. And it's a very modern financial product, and it gives home investors, for the first time, they can afford to trade futures. Before, with the point values at $50 and $100 a tick, you could lose a week's pay in 30 seconds, and it was just prohibitive for most home investors to be able to risk that kind of money, and it would have been a little bit irresponsible or inappropriate too. And that's why futures is a highly leveraged investment, and it can be very risky. Make no mistake about that. But I'm excited because it also holds a great potential to make some nice profits, which you'll see exhibited time and time again. The link for my book, by the way, it doesn't cost much more than a cheeseburger and a Coke, a good cheeseburger. And it gets all this information in one place, and it's organized and assembled for you, which means you'll probably be able to learn faster. And then the videos cover various subjects, and you can look them up in the book as you go along. Now, of course, we've been talking about day trading the micro E-mini futures now, but they have another very important use. And while I have a great example up here on the screen, I thought I'd show you how you could use stock index futures to hedge a part or all of your stock portfolio. Of course, you have to do a little math to make it work, but we've got a good setup here. 50 shares of Apple stock during this market crash that went down $100 a share. That's $5,000 loss. Well, had you been short one of the NASDAQ Micro 100 E-minis, the gain would have been $5,334. So that would have been almost a perfect hedge for 50 shares of Apple stock. And from that example, you should be able to figure out the math and how your stocks will track with the index and the Dow Jones Industrial Average also. There are many creative ways to use stock index futures, and I spent 25 years helping corporations use futures and options to mitigate risk on commodities like orange juice, energy, coffee, and some others. I've had a good time today showing you this. If you're a beginner, I hope you learned something about how these work, and I've prepared a special two special playlists for beginners. The first one's called Beginners, and the second one's called MACD Winners. And there's a total of 8 videos, 4 videos in each one of those, and there's a link below with those names on them so you can find them easily. And again, please support the channel by considering purchase of the book from Amazon. They're still shipping them out pretty fast these days. This is Don Singletary, and I hope every day is a payday for you. And thank you.